hi Blake. I wanted to create a little video for you because I thought maybe it would be a little better than me writing everything out in an email for you. So what you can see is here we're at NYCC. Make sure you go through your portal, do all of that. I'm sure you have done numerous times. Go down to the library. Okay. And we're going to LibGuides. All right. Now, so I did some different things. The first thing I want to show you is I went right to PubMed. And remember, you can definitely use PubMed. And you can put PubMed in for these permalinks that are due in module 5. Yes, in module 5. Okay, so I put quotes around your topic, search, and here you can see I got 108 for you. All right, let's do full text. And it brings it down to 77. All right. What I wanted to show you specifically was this one. So just click on it, and you can see you have full access to it. But what I wanted to show you is down here where it has the reference, and it also has similar articles. You can look there and click on that information, and it will bring you to another article that has your topic in it. So you can see here, remember in one of the, I think it was in module 4, I talked about finding the source's source. So normally you have an assignment to do that, but that was again one of the things that I took away from you that your group didn't have to do. But in your case, I think it's very important. So finding the source's source. So when you find an article that answers one of your questions, I would look in the reference section or see if there are similar articles associated with it and see where that takes you. Okay? Again, finding the source's source. So that's always important. That's important just especially in such a topic that is so difficult to find information on. When you do find something, see who that person is that is maybe an expert in that topic, and look at their references. And that should help you. Okay, the other thing I wanted to show you, so this is PubMed. Let's go back here. So this is just in PubMed, and I would suggest for right now, because you have such a specialized topic, that you keep it very broad. You also have to be open to maybe changing your questions around based on the information that you're finding. Okay, so remember how earlier I talked about not an answerable question, and so the question that you might want to answer, there simply might not be any research about it. So you have to adapt and change and come up with a different question. This is just part of research, and this is what happens. The other thing I wanted to show you, so that's in PubMed. The other thing I wanted to show you is, let's go to Gale, and I did the same exact thing. I know you've sent me all those screenshots of EBSCO. But I'm going to show you a different thing. Okay, make sure you log in. Again, this is Gale. And when I was very broad, just with your topic, yeah, I got 39 academic journals. Okay, so these are scholarly academic journals. Again, I would look through them, be open. You might have to change your question based on the research that is available here. I really liked this one, the importance and effectiveness of conservative treatments. I'm going to click on this for you. And here, right here, it has the same thing, more like this. These might not actually be what you want. But here's some related subjects. So maybe one of your allopathic questions could be about CAT scans. I don't know, depends. I didn't read through all of this. The other thing that I like about Gale, they have the reference, again, finding the source's source, and they also have things underlined and highlighted within. And here's the source information for you. So let's take, I really like literature reviews. Okay, let me show. Again, the biggest reason that I like literature reviews is because they've already looked at source's source, or the source's source, and so they usually come up with like a listing of different articles and information that you can go to. So that might be of use for you. All right, so again, this is just Gale, and there were 39 articles in Gale, and remember, you can use your filter. I don't think 39 is a lot to go through, especially because you have such a specialized topic. So I would suggest that you kind of look through all of these in Gale and also do the same thing in PubMed. And again, you might need to tweak or change some of your questions based on the information that is available. The other thing that I wanted to show you, and I have not shown the class this at all, is another database that we have. It's called EDS Smart Search. And again, here we are on LibGuides, and it's under Helpful Resources. It's right under PubMed. And what this database is it includes all of the open access academic journals that NYCC has access to. And we also have all of our EBSCO things in there. And I've also gone out on the open web and just found like websites and things that relate to the chiropractic program, and I've put them in here. The EDS, what this database specifically does is it acts more like Google. I don't usually show this until we get into 6th try, because by then you have done your PICO and you have done some things, or actually 7th try, you've done some things in clinic. So you might be a little bit more specialized, so you need like a broader area of places to search. So I just want to show you, I put in your topic, do a search. Okay. And you see I have 998, which is like way too much, right? But again, remember that this includes everything that I have, that we've found on the internet and all of our databases. So I highly suggest that you do full text. And that brought it down to 87. Now, it's up to you. I don't... Again, because you have such a specialized topic, maybe 87 isn't a lot, so you can do scholarly full text, but I don't think 87 is a lot to go through. But now you see that there's only 14 that are scholarly. Again, keep it broad and look at what words they're using here, especially in the subject area. And see how that goes. If you have any problems if you have any more problems, please contact me. I also, in the email, I put 2 other articles that I found in PubMed. Those should be helpful. Again, remember, look at the bottom, look at the reference section, see if you could find the source's source. It should be able to link to it right there. I also noticed on one of those, they go to Google Scholar. If you need to, actually, why don't we do that? I have a few more minutes. Here we are on the LibGuide, and again, I have Google Scholar down here. So let's put your topic in there. Again, remember to use the quotes around your topic. And you see we have a few things here as well. You can limit things down. But again, I would kind of maybe, I don't know, keep it broad. Let's just do, and see what happens. Chiropractic. Yeah, and you still have some things. Journal of Clinical Chiropractic, Pediatrics, Science Direct. Okay. So you still have, so that's a number of places that you can go to, and try to find information. So again, if you have any problems, any questions, any further problems, please don't hesitate to email me. All right. Okay. Good luck. and have fun researching.